So we're going to look at the magnitude of 2D and 3D vectors. Understand what the term magnitude means, calculate the magnitude for 2D and 3D vectors, and then the resultant vector, we'll find the magnitude of that as well. So here are the two formulae for working out the magnitude of a vector. In 2D, you basically take the components, square them, add them together and take the square root. Likewise in 3D, you'll just notice I put a circle around here. All you're going to do there is include the z coordinate as well. So, first example, calculate the magnitude of the following vector. Well, the first thing I'm going to do is get the components. So I'm going to write AB. Now, I'm going to draw in my dotted line, or my line, because it's not really dotted. So what have I got? Well, I'm going along 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I'm going to go up 12. So my components are 5, 12. Now, to find the magnitude, we're going to use these. You're going to see these kind of horizontal, vertical bars, sorry. All I'm going to do is square root 5 squared plus 12 squared. That is the square root of 169, which is 13. So the magnitude, the length of that line is 13. Okay, example number 2. We've got 3D vectors, same idea. Again, this is from the 2015-2017 paper. Okay, so I'm going to do u equals, so the magnitude of u equals the square root of 6 squared plus minus 13 squared plus 18 squared. Just extend that square root. Get my calculator. Because it's in the calculator paper, I'm going to put that straight in. The square root of 6 squared plus minus 13 squared plus 18 squared. The answer comes out as 23. Okay, what I want you to do is pause the video, have a wee go at this one. You should get the answer of 23 again, but if you pause it for a second, have a go, and then unpause and I'll go through it. Okay, so the magnitude of V, you'll get 1 mark for this line, 18 squared, plus, be careful to put these in brackets and negatives, plus 3 squared, that does come out as 23 again. Okay, there are 2 for you to try. As you can see, it's coming up quite often, so go and try them. What I'll tell you is your answers should be, the first one is going to be 28. And for the second one, you're going to get 33. Okay. So what happens when you've got to find the magnitude of a resultant vector? Well, the first thing I'm going to work out is 3s plus 2t. So 3s plus 2t equals 3 lots of 2, 0, minus 3 plus 2 lots of 5, negative 1, negative 8. That is going to be, well, 6 add 10 is 16. 3 lots of 0, 0. 2 lots of negative 1 is negative 2. Negative 9, take away 16 is negative 25. Okay, and then again, same thing, magnitude is going to be the square root of 16 squared plus negative 2 squared plus negative 25 squared, and I'm going to put that into the calculator. And that does give us a decimal. This time the answer is 29.7. Okay, we'll look at one without a calculator to finish off. So convenient bell. So let's find u minus v equals, well, that's going to be 4. 2 take away negative 2, and then 1 take away negative 1 is 2. So the magnitude of u minus v is the square root of 4 squared plus 2 squared. That is 16 plus 4 is 20. Using your surd rules, that's root 4 times root 5, which is 2 root 5. Okay, and then if you want, could you have a wee go at tackling that question? You can pause the video, tackle that question as well.